Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are taking a deep objective dive into the raw, unedited body cam footage concerning the arrest of Ethan Ralph. Given the significant public interest and the various narratives currently surrounding this incident, it is essential to examine the actual sequence of events as they were recorded on the ground. In this video, we will break down the footage in detail to provide a comprehensive analysis of exactly what transpired during the interaction. Our goal is to look beyond the speculation and focus strictly on the events captured by the camera. Let's dive straight into the footage to analyze the situation step by step.
Mexico. What? Mexico. Meredith.
What you been drinking? Stand right now, okay? Put your hands behind your back.
Okay, that's fine.
Might sing loud you got there. Let's take another down to this.
Whoa. We don't need all that. Yeah. Well, you got it.
I'm just gonna pat you down real quick, alright?
Sure.
I don't have any drugs, nothing. I know that's what my family has.
I have a prescription for that.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I do.
It's in this. Yeah.
In the bag? Yeah.
Yeah. Let's put prescription.
I don't think.
Yeah, cigarettes and pills I've been prescribed, so thank you.
Okay. I appreciate it. You've done a great job. Go ahead. Ain't nothing I have illegal. Nothing. So.
Alright, just have a seat for me right here. I got a few just regular screening questions anytime they bring anybody in here.
I don't talk to any police about my lawyer, so
Okay.
if you want to let me go, or if there's a way to like sell this, like okay, we can do that. But I don't talk to police about my lawyer, so if you'll let me go, I would like to go. Yeah, but. Well, it's not mine. Was it open? Whatever.
You want to sit in the chair?
No, I don't. I want to sit on the floor. Y'all can carry me from the floor if you want. Yes. Yep, you can do that. For no reason, but that's okay. I just know about that.
Want me to loosen the cuffs up?
Yeah, that would be
Stand
cool.
up.
If you could roll it down here.
Bend over.
Yeah, I'm not gonna hurt you, but I just want to go home also. I just want to go home.
Yeah, well, we're a little bit past that right now. We don't want to get booked and released.
Well, what I'm saying is, I don't have any.
Well, we're viewing the cameras.
Okay, but that's okay, but I agree. When was that? That's what I was just saying. I'm coming back to America this week, I think. I just was messing with it.
Just a one quick, everybody trying to swerve. The real road, 3 cars swerved it successfully, but one car. But that's not.
Can I? It actually tightened up.
What?
It tightened up.
Which one?
Both. It tightened them both. I'm not trying to. I can't even escape even if I want to. Jesus, like, Notorious Big said, I won't quote the verse, but no, I have no way to escape. That's not even happening.
Big order of value in the debris, but it's all based on the same debris. But do they need to be in the report? I don't if they, because the first unit, the first car that hit the debris.
It's so harsh on the left.
Yeah, well, it will be for a minute.
Huh?
It will be for a minute until we get them off of here.
Alright, well, do you think I'm going to make my fight or no?
Whatever they review right now. So I don't know. I didn't look at the cameras. I've been out here with you. So.
But, potentially, I could make that fire.
Could depends on how long you're down there, how busy they are to get you in and get you out. It's all gonna depend. If you give them any attitudes or any problems down there, I guarantee you'll be there.
Well, that's what I'm saying. Like, can I do something here to
Here? Well, that's what we were trying to give you opportunity for.
Well, I what do you want to know? If you want to know something, I can tell you.
Well, all we were asking was,
I
know you live in Mexico now, right?
Yeah.
We were just, what?
Went through stuff, right?
Yeah, all this is done.
Yeah, I don't have anything. That's what I'm saying.
Well, that's not going.
That's not going.
You know that, right?
Yeah, well, that was, yeah.
Alright, I'll spend these citations and then you guys want to.
Yeah.
Okay. Mr. Ralph. So you're gonna be cited for 2 things today, okay? The disorderly conduct, okay, that's just we got multiple calls about you yelling shit in the lobby or whatever you were talking about.
Okay.
Which is fine. So we're gonna cite you for that, okay? And then we're also gonna cite you for the public intoxication, okay?
Now, that wasn't in my bag, right?
What's that?
I wasn't drinking that. That was in my bag. Okay.
Yeah, but no, I mean,
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Yeah,
We shouldn't really get it.
yeah, it's all good. So that can't go where you're going.
Yes, I understand.
So we're gonna keep that.
Keep that.
We're gonna keep that. And then
Can I?
what's up?
I want to go home.
Okay. Well, right now you're gonna be going downtown to the county jail, okay, on a 12-hour hold. Okay. So you're gonna go down there, and then you're gonna sober up, and then once you're sober, you'll be able to be released. Okay. So we have all your property here. We're gonna put your citations in your bag.
Hey, you have a copy of this? You need 4 copies for them?
Yes, please.
And then that's
Well, how many hours are we doing?
One more time. I didn't hear what you're saying.
My mouth's dry. I can't.
Yeah, that's what happens when you drink.
Yeah, well,
half
yeah,
a
you know
bottle.
all about it. So, how many hours?
It's a 12-hour hold. So you stay there for 12 hours.
So I've already been here for 2.
You got been here for 2.
Wrong.
In here?
Yeah.
No, you've been in here for like 45
At least
minutes.
one.
No, you've been in here for like 45
You're
minutes.
full of shit.
All right. So that
Yeah,
stuff will be
just
in
take it.
here.
Just
Cooperate with us, man.
Yeah, just stand me up.
Yep, I'm gonna see you. First,
Little motherfucker.
Fuck you. We'll go in here.
I don't want to go in there with these handcuffs on my back.
What's that?
These are hurting my hands.
It's gonna be off a little bit, man.
Yep.
It's a ride, all right?
It isn't that far to it.
Fuck all you fucking top faggot motherfuckers. Yeah, it's all you motherfuckers got burned in hell. I ain't been shit. I know.
That concludes our thorough breakdown and analysis of the body cam footage from this incident. By examining the raw recording, we have been able to gain a clearer perspective on the context and the specific actions taken during the arrest. Analyzing these events is crucial for understanding the facts of the situation, and we hope this breakdown provided you with the clarity you were looking for. Thank you for taking the time to watch this detailed analysis. If you found this content informative and valuable, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more in-depth coverage. We appreciate your support, and we will see you in the next one.